Hey, what's up guys? Billy Haley here at MyMedic, Director of Education and Product Development. I'm super stoked to show you guys our newest kit, the MYFAK Large. Real quick, I want to give you a size reference, the MyFAK Original. It's about twice the size of that guy. You can see it side by side compared, and then of course the front view. Our recon bag, so a little chunkier on the recon bag. You can see the side profile, so a little slimmer on this guy. And then finally, the big daddy, the Medic. So you can see quite a bit smaller than the Medic, but still a great kit. So this bag is actually really cool in and of itself. It's made from 600 denier Oxford weave, which is a lot to remember. All you need to know is that means it's super strong, durable, and quite water resistant. Outside on the front here, you have full Velcro for patches or anything you want to put on there. You've got full MOLLE panel to lace up additional pouches or bags or anything. Billy bands work great in here. You can put several of those on there and attach all kinds of things. This strap here, a little securing strap to keep things nice and snug. You've also got a quick release little handle here, or little Velcro tab here, which keeps things nice and tight. Extra large snag resistant zippers. Got the 2-finger pull tab, which makes it super easy to grab and unzip, whether it's dark or your hands are slippery or anything like that. You'll notice up top, I'm holding it with the reinforced grab handle, which is super convenient. On the back, you've got your MOLLE lacing straps right here. You do have MOLLE lacing on the back too if you wanted to utilize that. Another really cool thing about the back plate of this is its tearaway. Instead of unlacing all the MOLLE straps, you can tear this, I'll show it to you up front, or from the front view. You can just tear it away. This stays put on the back of your seat or whatever, and then you can grab and go with the kit itself. So that's super handy. I really love that about this bag. So behind that tearaway back, you'll notice a strap back here. And what that strap is designed to do is either be used as a fanny pack or you can shoulder sling it as well. It's a very thought out bag. It's got you covered from everything from boo-boos to blowouts, right? So it covers the entire March algorithm, which is what we use and base our first aid kits on. And the March is massive bleeding, airway, respiration, circulation, hypothermia, all these life-threatening ailments that we have you covered with this bag. So let's go ahead and check it out. So initially, you'll see how this clamshell is open. It opens nice and wide so you can identify and grab very easily whatever you're in here going for. You'll notice these 2 drop-out pouches. These Velcro attach so you can grab and go with these. You have gloves, steri strips, bandage packs. There's your Micromend kit. Definitely check out the videos on our Micromend. It's an amazing product. So you've got topical pouch, you've got ointment pouches, you've got over-the-counter med pouches. All these modules are super easy to find, easy to use, and we've got you covered on all the different products. Inside the main compartment here, starting from my right, you've got compression bandages, 7-inch trauma shears, foldable splint, CPR masks, your MPA airway kit right here, irrigation solution, electrolyte tabs, 2-finger splints. Basically, this is your little toolkit in here. You've got a thermometer, you've got you've got tweezers in here, you've got scalpel in here, you've got hemostats in here. A lot of very useful little tools in this module as well. Triangular bandages, sensor wrap, rapid tourniquet, a large roll of medical tape. You've got 3 emergency blankets in here. You've got your EPB or emergency pressure dressing. 20 feet of paracord, very useful. You've got a safety whistle, chem stick or glow stick, emergency glucose packet, our large hydrogel kits here, everything from big to small burns, quick clot hemorrhage control. This is a really cool dressing. It's impregnated with an actual blood clotting agent, so this is much better than regular old gauze. Chest seal. This is basically your gauze module. You have 2x2s, 4x4s, you have some conforming gauze in here, which is 3x5. This is a great little kit for all kinds of little boo-boos, scrapes, cuts, things like that. And then finally, your instant cold pack here, which is very, very useful in all kinds of situations. As you can see, the inside of the bag itself is very organized, it's sleek, it's easy to use. So you open this guy up and you're gonna find and identify exactly what you're looking for, and you can grab it. It's very fluid, very efficient. This is a great bag. All right guys, so that is it for the MyFak Large. It's an awesome bag. Definitely check it out on the website. It fills the gap between the smaller MyFak and the big Medic kit, so you can keep it in your car, you can keep it in the house. It's super versatile, and I'm a huge fan of it. Thanks for showing up and checking out this video. Thanks for stepping up your first aid game. I'm your guide, Billy Haley, helping you stay alive.